YouTube, this is Farmall 51 here. The both the 140s are back from the 2018, I say the 151st North Carolina State Fair. So took both of them and had them in the one was in the tent, one was outside. So yeah. All right, this here is a video we posted a little earlier, well, a little later than when it was filmed. So October 26th, I believe, is today's date. But anyway, this here is a international number 30 running gear with the deck built on it, and you see this kind of crooked little deck. But anyway, it come to me, and I'll put some pictures in there. It's probably 1.5 feet wide on each side and 1.5 feet probably, or 2 foot on each end, and I cut all that down so I could get it on the trailer easier. But the deck, it's in good shape. Well, it's in fair condition. We've got a harvest festival at our church coming up next week. So what I'm doing is well, we start back from the beginning. Last week we went to the other side of Charlotte and picked this running gear here up with the deck on it, of course. And it looks like they've put car tires on it at some time. But overall, the running gear is in pretty good shape. It has a serial tag on it. You can still see some of the decals still on it. So I think it's been sort of painted once. But anyway, as you can see, it's got 2 beams on the right side and 1 on the left. The story with that is, this was an old hay wagon, and it was loaded a little heavy, or something hit it. Anyway, the beam on the inside cracked. Well, sort of cracked. It stress crack, I believe it is. So the guy put one on the, no, it's the outside beam actually. He put another beam on the left side of it, bolted it, and put a 2x4 along the bottom. So that fixed the stress crack. So, but anyway, yeah, this is not the only one I've got. When you're looking for something that hard, and you tell everybody, you know, you put it out there on the network, I call it, the friend network. All of a sudden, you get in everything in the world, and this one here showed up. Like I say, it come from the other side of Charlotte, and so we went down there one Saturday, picked it up, come back, and I've actually got another one on the way from Illinois, from the famous Swede. If you visit his YouTube channel, he had one, and this actually in a little better, as far as patina, I guess, condition. The rims on here have been replaced, and they're still the 4-bolt hub. So, and I don't like these car tires on here, so they will be changed back to implement tires sooner or later. But since I ended up with 2, and both of them I've got it at an excellent price, I couldn't pass it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get one back. I'm going to keep the one from Illinois, most likely, since it's probably in a more original condition, I would say. And I'll get you some pictures when it comes in. But this one here, I will probably restore, new bearings and all, and tires. And the tongue, he broke the tongue at some time, so I've got to get a piece of channel iron that I actually got a book on it, book on the number 30 hay wagons, and the 70, 100, I believe, on up to the big stuff. So, but anyway, steer is great. I just finished tightening the hubs up on the back. They were hair loose. It had a little bit too much of a bump in them, but anyway, like I said, we got a parade, or not parade, but a hayride coming up here next week. So this, I had some rough cut pine, and this is just going to be temporary until that is over. And when that's over, it will all be torn back off down to the running gear, and then I'll restore this one and put it back up there for sale. Either build another deck. I may, it just depends on how it goes. May sell it like it is, I don't know, but I'd like to get the most that I can get out of it, so I can put it toward my other running gear that's coming from Illinois, from the Swede. So, but anyway, like I say, everything's there. Hubs are fine. There's no cracks in it. It's not been broke. No spindles have been broke. Yeah, don't laugh at my horrible carpenter. I'm not a carpenter, but this is just a temporary job. As you can see, there's the serial tag, but for the most part it's in pretty good shape. But some of these boards are a little rough. So, but well, this is rough cut lumber here. So, but anyway, that's my number 30 hay wagon, the first one I got, and this one will be the one that most likely is for sale. So, like I say, I'll keep the other one. Just doing a little checking up on everything, kind of making sure everything's gonna be good for them. No hub runs off or something stupid happens and cause anybody to get hurt, or anybody getting hurt. But the sides are sturdy, real sturdy. So I've got them screwed in good, and everything's nice and tight. And like I say, I'll get my hay here and put on there, and we'll be ready to go. I'll probably pull it with a Super C. But anyway, like I said before, this is the one of two number 30 running gears. They're both number 30 running gears. How I ended up like that, I don't know. I couldn't find one nowhere in the state of North Carolina, anywhere hardly. And they ended up finding the one from Jared there in Illinois. And so I've got that one coming. A good friend of mine's heading out that way, and he will be bringing it back almost no charge. So couldn't ask for a better way to get it back. Cheapest way you can get it back. But owe him quite a bit, so I'll help him out and we'll swap out. But other than that, this here, like I say, you'll see, probably do a video on restoring this one. Like I said, there's not much to them, just wire wheel the thing. And like I say, check the bearings, which they may or may not be okay. Which, when I turn the hubs, you know, I don't hear any roar or anything like that, so they seem pretty smooth, so I may just pack them good and put them back on. But you may or may not see this for sale soon, so we'll see. But anyway, like I said, when I get my other one in, I'm going to put it together, and that's what I'm going to keep. So anyway, alright, thanks for watching, and this is the International, McCormick International number 30 running gear. Alright, thanks for watching.